Melanie Schroeder, and she's asking if there's anything that can be done to treat Epstein Barr virus and chronic fatigue. And I can basically tell you that I personally am not into treating viruses. Doesn't matter of what origin, because viruses are working on our behalf. They come into our body, or they proliferate, or the body rather proliferates them on purpose if it cannot deal with a certain degree of contamination that includes chemicals, pesticides, vaccine toxins, and many other things from the environment, the fluoride in the water and other chemicals that the body has no other chance or chance to dispose of or break down and detoxify unless it takes recourse to viruses. Viruses act like solvents, and they come only into the body when there is such contamination where the body is not able to deal with it itself. And these viral particles, which are not something like microorganisms that have a reproductive system that reproduce themselves. It's the cell nucleus, the cell interior, that is responsible for reproducing these viral particles or protein fragments when necessary. So instead of focusing on treating the virus, I propose to set the preconditions so that these viruses no longer need to be there. And that means cleansing the liver, particularly the kidneys and colon, cleaning out these most important eliminative organs, and changing the diet and lifestyle so that the body is supported in its effort to keep itself clean in the future. There are some things that can support the body through this period, and these would be things like silver, sol, silver as in silver and sol as SOL, that you can find on the internet, that have known to help the body clean out those particular contaminants and allow it to diminish the viral count and inactivate the viruses like malaria as well as others. There's another substance that can be taken that also works very well in breaking down these chemicals and metals and other things, and that's called Adya Clarity, ADYA, clarity as in clarity of mind. And again, you can find that on the internet. Whenever viruses diminish because you take any of these products, it's not because they are attacking viruses. It's sort of hard to do that when they are just protein fragments, but it's basically preventing or cleaning the body out enough so that the body no longer tries to reproduce them, has no longer a need to reproduce them. And that's where your cleansing is very, very important. The same